So right now, let's visit naman Mall of Asia. So they have this Sky Garden. This is a new addition to their attractions in Mall of Asia, with a view of the Manila Bay and their parks dun sa likod. So again, this is Mall of Asia sa Pasay City. So let's check muna yung dito sa may globe. Let's appreciate the beauty and the design that they have incorporated doon sa globe nila. Kilalang kilala yung Mall of Asia globe na to, no? Ito yung nasa harapan ng mall. The Christmas design dito sa mall, I think hanggang mid-January pa to naka-design sa kanila, naka-decorate. Because dito sa Philippines, we celebrate Christmas until January. Beside Mall of Asia is the Mawa Arena. Ayan siya. So dito sa Mawa, Mall of Asia, dito sa foreground ng vicinity, meron 3 building. And then doon sa background, doon sa likod, nagko-combine na yung 3 building na yon into one. So dito, ayan, may 2 pathway. Ayan yung design nila. So, I think this is part of the songs, no? If you have to read yung mga nakalagay doon. So, let's see. Ayan. I think lyrics to. Part ng lyrics. Ayan. So, kilalang kilala tong Do You Wanna Build a Snowman? Yan, to caroling to dito sa Philippines. It's sikat tong Yaw Yaw. So, dito na tayo sa loob, NBA store. And then, malapit din sa kanya ito, Decathlon. Yan, Decathlon is known for camping, apparels, gym, accessories, hiking as well. Mura din dito sa Decathlon. Ayan, so we're going up na kasi yung pupuntahan natin is at the 3rd floor ng building kasi sa part siya ng roof deck sa likurang buildings. Pero may nadaanan muna tayo dito. Promotional area ng Aquaman. Here. Ayan. Ayan, si Aquaman. So, ang tawag nila for the Mall of Asia is Night of Light 2023. So, ito yung ginawa nila doon sa roof deck nila, roof deck area, transform it nila to be a Christmas park, a mini Christmas park for everyone to enjoy the spirit of Christmas. And to have a greater view na din dito sa likod. As you can see here, ito yung sa may likurang area ng BOA, sa may baywalk nila. Ayan. Bandaming tao. Yeah, Manila Bay na yan, yung darker area na yan, sa Manila Bay. Ayan. So, they have this Ferris wheel din. No. Mawa'ay, ang tawag nila, Mawa'ay. Hinangon nila dun sa London ay, ayan, at tawag doon naman sa UK na Ferris wheel. So from the roof deck, makita rin yung Conrad Hotel. This is one of the 5-star hotels dito sa Philippines or dito sa Metro Manila. Katapatan niya yung Moai, yung Ferris wheel. 3 different Santa Claus. Nagka-karaoke ata to. Singing Santa Claus. This one is a rock and roll. No? Rock and roll Santa Claus. And then this is a Korean Santa Claus. Love sign. Ayan, so meron silang malaking Christmas tree dito sa gitna. Happy Holidays 2023. And they have other decors or designs. Maganda rin talaga yung view dito sa likuran nila. Kasi may kita mo yung kanilang baywalk. Ayan. May mga rides din dyan and parang mga perya. And different side design. So they have this staircase or stairway. Yeah. So that's it. Yun yung kanilang Christmas village area. Mini Christmas village o Christmas park area dito sa Mall of Asia. Yeah. So, I think that's it. Yun yung kanilang presentation or decoration for the Christmas. Dito yan sa SM Mall of Asia sa Pasay City. Okay, so please like and subscribe this video. Bye! Thank you for watching.